Hello friends, today we will learn 20 lines on mobile phones. So let's start. Mobile phones are an essential part of our daily lives. They help us communicate with our friends and family. We can make calls, send messages and access the internet. Mobile phones are like mini computers that we can carry everywhere. They have made our lives easier and more convenient. We can use mobile phones to take photos, record videos, and listen to music. Mobile phones have also made it possible for us to access information anytime, anywhere. We can use mobile phones to check our emails, access social media, and watch videos. Mobile phones have also become an important tool for education. Students can use mobile phones to access educational resources, take online classes, and submit assignments. Mobile phones have also made it possible for us to shop online, pay bills, and transfer money. Mobile phones have become an essential tool for business and commerce. They have made it possible for us to stay connected with our customers, suppliers, and partners. Mobile phones have also made it possible for us to access emergency services such as ambulance, police, and fire department. Mobile phones have become an essential tool for our safety and security. However, excessive use of mobile phones can be harmful to our health. It can cause eye strain, headaches, and sleep disorders. It can also distract us from our work, studies, and other important activities. Therefore, it is essential to use mobile phones responsibly and in moderation. By doing so, we can harness the benefits of mobile phones while minimizing their negative effects. Thank you for watching.